What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ryan Lowon back again bringing you guys the videos about how to bring Shopify products into your physical store. Today we're going to be going over how to find and source your products and bring it into your store. Let's go. What is up, guys? Here we are in my computer. We're going to be going over how to source winning products. This is super important to, how are you going to find your products? It's super crucial. And if you're going to get a physical store, you're going to have to find suppliers. You're going to have to figure out what's going to sell and what to bring in. So let's get right into it. So we're going to go over 3 things. Choosing your niche. There's a lot of niches out there that you guys can choose, which makes this super not competitive, and you guys can really bring in a lot of things. Sourcing the product, and how do we find retail pricing? So let's go into that. All right, so there's a lot of niches out there. You can do things that are super specific. You can do things that are general things such as like pet products, electronic accessories, beauty products, workout accessories. We're gonna go over some of these products, or there's maybe something that you are familiar with that not a lot of people know of, and you feel like something. There's a big demand for it, and there's no stores out there, maybe only online. So why don't you bring it into your city, like boxing or something like that, or hockey. Like something really specific that only your store would have and your people in your city are looking for. There's a high demand for it. So let's go into sourcing our products. So one thing, there's many ways you can do it. I have 6 ways, and we'll go over each one of them. The first way, what I really like to do is I like to look at other Shopify competitors, and this is the way that we do it. So we just go to Google. Just go to Google here. Alright guys, here we go. I'm on Google. I just put in myshopify.com and workout accessories. So this pulls up all the Shopify stores that are related to workout accessories. And we'll just open up a few, and hopefully we can find something that is dropshipped. Okay, cool. Here we go. So here we are. We got men clothing. We got equipment, support accessories, bracelets and chains. Let's open that up. I want to see this. I want to see this chain right here. Wow, look at this collection. So lots of these things you can bring into your Shopify store, and yeah, these are the retail prices. Let's go into AliExpress. This is where we have our find our suppliers, and we'll be able to find some of these products. So we're gonna AliExpress a golden stainless steel chain, something like that. Weight lifting chain. Something more. Okay. Nice. Another thing to look for is if this isn't exactly the product that you want, you can scroll down and it will show other sellers as well. More products from other sellers. So then there's these ones as well. Cool. So we'll I'll look at this one, 224. Open that one up there. And we'll look into maybe one more. One more that these guys sell. Ooh, I like that. You know what? I want to find this exact product. So what I'm going to do is, there's one cool trick, is AliExpress. On the app, you can actually, on the app on your phone, you can actually pull up the image and it will find it. So I'll just quickly pull up the image first. I have to go to the website. Okay, so I got on my phone this image here. I'm gonna go to AliExpress on the app here. Just in the corner there, you see that camera. We're gonna click on the camera, and then you can upload the image. Okay. So I found the images and the suppliers that all sell. I see some for about $4 US. On average, about $4 US. So for $4, I was able to find this image for this supplier. So we're able to find. So I was able to find this product that these guys are selling for $29 US. And I was able to find it for $4 US on AliExpress. It's called Train Hard or Go Home Barbell. Found it on my phone here. Train Hard or Go Home, and here we go. You can get 10 pieces for $2 to $3, $2 to $4 here. There you go. So we can contact the supplier. What I like to do is I like to contact 1, 2, and then try to find more. Maybe about I like to try to find 5 suppliers and contact each one of them. At least one of them will respond and tell you, okay, I can give you a better deal. We'll give you free shipping, e-packet or DHL. So that's why I like to contact 5 suppliers. Here's some more here. So just scroll through them, click them, and you can find your suppliers. So this is just one product of many that you can bring in. Again, here. So this is where you contact them. Just in that box, you just click that and then just send them a generic message saying, hey, I'm a store that would like to buy a lot of units, say 20 or 30, and hey, what's the best deal you can give me? What's the lowest price, right? So there's one more item here. Again, this is $3. Maybe I can find it on these guys' website. Oh, there we go. So $20, right? Yeah, same product, $20. They're selling it. I found it for $3. Normally, when I find my supplier and they respond back to me, they give me about 20 to 25% off this price. So, let's be safe, about $2 to $2.25, and you're selling it for 20. This is your competitor. Competitor sells it for 20, you're making some pretty healthy profit per item. So what I like to do is I like to open up a spreadsheet. This was the workout weight. No, I'm just gonna put weight chain, and then I'll put the supplier link, whichever one gets back to me. So I'll just take their link here, copy it, paste it in here, and then I'll just say I'll buy 20 units for $2.25 each, and the resale price was 20. And this is online. In retail, you can actually charge like a lot more. You can charge like a good 25% more. So I could actually if I can like properly target it and market it well, I can sell up to $25. and per item you'd make $22.75 per item, and then the total profit would be 455. I would have spent $45. I would get 500, and my profit would be 455. ROI 1,000%. So this is the numbers of what it looks like getting a retail store and bringing it to your customers. It's amazing. There's just one product. I have all of these uh, selections here. I'll show you guys one. For example, I was able to just do beauty and just get them all, and found about 25 products just from beauty. And this probably only took me 1 hour or so to do a whole sheet like this. Very fast. And I got, you can do much more. So it's up to you how hard you want to work, but if you want to crush it, and you can make some crazy numbers here. So this is the total profit that from the beauty section, just 25 items would have been just under 5 grand there. And yeah, pretty good numbers. So yeah, that's what it looks like sourcing products. Another way to find products, I'll just close these up here, is using websites that help you find trending products, like dropshipspy.com. They have they update you on what's trending. So this barbecue grilling mat, party soda dispenser, right? This is awesome to bring in a store, right? Put it on display, and people can try it out even. Oh, I gotta log in first. It's free membership. Do I even remember my username? Frick. You know what? I don't need it. I can just go on AliExpress and just put it up. I think this was going for like 250 or like 250 each. It's pretty crazy, so you can look into that. So yeah, there's this website. You can find tons of these products and give you 1,000% ROIs. This grooming glove, I actually ordered these in and for about 250 a piece, and we can sell this for $20, $25 each. So this is pretty cool, man. So that's Dropship Spy. There's more websites like EH Product Finder. So they just tell you what's trending. A dog life jacket. So you can all try these. A magic fidget spinner cube. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. People will impulse buy that in a heartbeat, man. Thieve.com. They also find more trending items as well. You got a mirror alarm clock, Bluetooth speaker. That looks pretty cool. Bluetooth earbuds. And a lot of cool things here. So you guys can check out these websites to find more products if you're having troubles finding it. But you guys got a lot of resources here. Pexta.com also is a great tool to look for products as well. So there's all those for you guys. So we went over the sourcing products. Finding retail price. I like to use Amazon.com and look at the competitors. We already did that looking at the weightlifting pendant. So we were able to find ROIs for that. You can use Google Shopping. Just type in Google, just type in your product, and then Google Shopping, you'll be able to find it. And Amazon.com. What I'll do is I'll go on Amazon.com and show you guys. And then I'm going to put gold weightlifting necklace onto Google. the search is in weight or bodybuilding necklace. Okay. So we're able to find some. There's actually nobody. There's not a website that a company like a Shopify website that's putting it on here. They're all like AliExpress. But let's try Amazon. Weight lifting necklace. All right. So maybe Amazon wouldn't be good for this product specifically, but there's one that I had in my tornado shaker. There's one that I have on my Excel spreadsheet, and I found one for about $10 US, and these are Amazon pricing, so about 20 bucks, maybe 25 if you sell in store, maybe 37 if you sell in store. And if you have the extension Jungle Scout, you can even see what the sales are for what the total sales are on Amazon. See if, hey, is this a product that's in high demand? And you can see, yeah, this product's selling. Put it in your store. Why not? You can make money. So this is just Jungle Scout Pro. If you guys want me to go over that, I can do that on another video. So that is basically it for finding retail prices. And that's it for the video. So thanks so much for sticking around. If you found that this was helpful, give it a like. I really appreciate that. Give me a subscribe for updated content. I'll just be pushing out content just like this, but more. And leave some feedback. Did you guys like the video? Was there something that I could have done better? What categories or products do you think you would rather sell instead of weightlifting or pet products in your retail store? And I want to hear from you guys. Do you think this concept works in this year, 2018, 2019? I personally think so, yes. And what other topics would you like me to go over? I'll be more than happy to go over with you guys. So thanks so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.